Is it possible to make 15,000 using this supply and demand strategy? In this video, I'm gonna show you the cons and pros of this strategy. Make sure to watch the entire video. There will be multiple pro tips for you to enhance your win rate, whether you are beginner or experienced trader. Okay, I'm taking this. As you guys see right here, we have a supply right here. Yeah, let me mark it, show you real quick, then I will start to explain everything. Okay, beautiful. All right, as you see, we have a supply here, and the price came and closed on the supply. Okay, now I'm taking this trade for 1 minute, guys, and I'm using 1 minute Japanese candle. As you can see, 1 minute expiration is 1 minute also. So I took this trade because I saw that the price closed inside of my supply area, and now I'm getting a reversal candle because of that. So let's wait for the trade to close. As you guys see, it's so clear. This trade is very clear. I like this trade, guys. It's very nice. Let's wait for it to close. 1 second leaving. All right, taking this one also. Beautiful. I marked this area, guys. I was waiting for this trade, so I marked it earlier. I was searching, guys, and this opportunity is looking very beautiful. You guys are seeing this, right? And I'm showing you guys that all of my strategies, they worked even in forex, stocks, futures, regular market, OTC, everything, because the strategies I use, guys, I have tested these strategies for months and years in, guys, you know, and I refine everything now and then depending on the market condition and if the market changes. And yeah, it's a lot of work I have done, guys, to master all of these stuff, guys. You know, that's the reason why I have to charge for my mentorship. Okay, this trade is gonna come. I'm taking this, guys. Even though my entry is a bit late, I was supposed to enter immediately. As you guys see, my entry is on top of the wick there, so that means this candle have to close very bullish. If it closes as a doji, yeah, that's not gonna be good. But anyway, I'm confident in this trade, guys, because as you see, there's a rally base rally, so we have a uptrend at the moment. So I'm pretty confident about everything here, and I'm going to wait for this trade to close. But in that meantime, I want to take the time to explain to you guys that trading the financial market is risky without proper guidance. Okay, so make sure that you practice and you study all the strategies I teach, guys. In the videos, you need to watch the entire video in order to trade the strategies properly. You cannot skip the videos, hence you will not learn properly. I'm taking this, guys, even though I'm a little bit late on this trade here. Let me mark it for you. I saw something very nice. I'm going against the trend, which is not advisable, guys, but I think I'll be okay. Based on candlestick psychology, this supply here is super strong, so I'm not really worried about my late entry or the trend that much. But it's best to always go with the trend, though. You increases your win rate way much higher. Okay, yes, guys, this trade is pretty beautiful. As you can see, we are gonna close in a plus. We have 19, 18, 17 seconds leave. But during that time, guys, I want to take the time out to let you know that I have a mentorship which I teach behind the scenes of supply and demand. Okay, and other strategies also, support and resistance, everything, guys, indicators, everything. Taking this, let me mark this, then I will start to explain, guys. When I'm doing supply and demand, support and resistance and stuff like that, guys, I have to move very quickly because I have to draw the lines for you to understand everything. So bear with me when you see I'm trying to draw the line before I explain, because I want the video to be very clear and not any confusion, like trying to mark lines and then trying to explain at the same time. It's just best to, mark lines, then explain after, okay? As you guys can see right here, this trade is gonna be a winning trade. Based on candlestick psychology, I can see that the supply and demand is very strong, guys. A lot of persons say, what is candlestick psychology, guys? This is a 10-minute, 15-minute video. I can't teach everything in one short video like this, guys. It's a lot of stuff. Wow. Another important thing about my strategies, guys. Many people might try to use my strategies, but you have to practice. And another thing, you will need my guidance, guys, because you have to understand these are my strategies, right? You can, I give you guys the blueprint. You can figure it out, but the thing is, you will need my guidance if you want to figure it out much quicker. Okay, that's the whole point. I've given you guys the blueprint because these are my live trading sessions, and I'm showing you this is how I make this is how I trade, and I'm showing you guys everything, right? But if you want that quick result, instant result, you will need my mentorship, because there I will guide you, I will review your trades, make sure that you're doing the right thing. And that's the thing. And that's why some people are being profitable right now, because they have taken the chances. Oh, damn. This is another trick, guys. Right, as you guys can see right here, let me zoom back real quick. All right, I'm seeing that the price is in a range, guys. If you pay attention very well, the price was going up in a uptrend, and then it started to range and stuff. Guys, you need to understand trends and these type of stuff also, guys, right? You have to know all of these stuff. You have to know when the market is ranging. You have to know when the market is ranging, if the market is trending. You need to know these stuff, guys, right? These are basic candlestick information that you need to know. Okay, you can't just be going around and just do what you feel like in the market. You have to trade correctly and properly if you want consistency. Okay, I'm taking this. It closed right on the zone, right on the edge of the zone, guys, and this is still okay, right? And oh my god, this trade is supernatural. This is one of the reasons why I don't like to do compounded sessions sometimes, because if I was doing my regular session, guys, this would have been a $2,000 trades, $3,000 trade, $4,000, right? And I will be making a good money off this. Like, this is a proper trade. And this is the reason why when you're trading, honestly, you need proper capital. Because when these good opportunities come around, you don't want to take them with small amount. It's like, you ever hear the saying, try to win big when you're winning? That's what I'm saying. Like, this trade is so perfect. I am grieving right now because this should have been a $3,000, $4,000 trade. Based on candlestick psychology, this level is strong. Okay? Taking this again. I was previously right here, guys. I took this one, then I came here again and I took this one, and the trade is going on here, guys. As you can see, this trade is a beautiful trade here. As I was saying to you guys, the thing about trading is you need to understand the philosophy behind why you take trades. Okay? That's the reason why you have to study. Okay? But if you want to eliminate much of the studying, when you join the mentorship, I will guide you and how I do things. You wouldn't have to go through it. See what I'm saying? It's like a shortcut. I'm not here to sing about the mentorship. I just want to explain to you guys the truth about everything and everything that you need. It's very easy to be profitable, guys. It's so easy. I don't know why people make it seem like, it's rocket science. Taking this again, guys. Yes, guys, pay attention here. You see that the price came and it just closes right on my level. Like this is so sharp, guys. Like this is the key of the market. Okay. And in my mentorship too, guys, I go way, way deep in these topics. And that's the difference between the YouTube videos and the mentorship. I go more deeper in the mentorship because I can able to talk to you personally. Yes, what I'm saying? I can text you back and forth, all of those stuff. This is just a YouTube video. I'm taking this right here. Okay. Let me mark it for you real quick. Then I will start to speak about it. As I said, I like to mark so that you guys don't become confused. Okay, so the price came and it closed on my demand, and then I took the trade, and now I see the candle is trying to go higher, and I was like, beautiful, right? So I'm staying in this trade because in binary options we don't have any choice but to stick in the trade until it's finished, because that's the rule of the game, right? Once you sign up on any binary option broker, when you enter a trade, you have to stay in that trade until it closes, right? And that's a beauty and it's a curse at the same time. Oh, damn. Jeez. This trade is fabulous. As you guys see, there was a lot of fighting going on right here in the lower time frame. That's the reason why you see this candle like this, guys. The bears and the bulls, they were having a tug of war, right? And as you can see, if you really pay attention here, guys, the bulls have win because this wick is so huge. They carried the price all the way here, and the bull was like, no, that's not gonna happen, and they pushed the price all the way up. Okay, so that simply means they are stronger. And when I say candlestick psychology, guys, this is what candlestick psychology means. It means that you understand every single candle in the market. It's possible. How do you expect to be profitable? You have to know those stuff. That's the foundation, right? Okay, guys, I took this trade because I saw the rejection from the green candle, and as I always say to you guys, based on the lower time frame, this rejection is saying something to me. Okay, you might see on the 1 minute time frame it's rejecting, but on the lower time frame, these are candles which reach here and rejected from here. See what I'm saying? The thing is this, guys, this is why I create the mentorship, because to go deep in everything, you need my mentorship, guys. You have to understand, these are my sessions. These are my trading sessions. I just show you guys it, right? I can't go in depth in everything. You have to think very logically. I'm a very busy person. When I done my session, I have other things to do. I have other places to be. I have an entire office to run. All of these stuff, guys. Okay? I also have employees. Okay, so I'm very busy, guys, and this is why I create the mentorship to help you. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, guys, my entry was. I hate these type of entries. I like my entries to be very smooth and very crispy, guys. I don't know about you, but I like my entries to be nice and clean, especially when I'm doing compounding, because compounding can be, oh my god, it's 52%. These days I don't even pay attention to percentage anymore. I used to do that when I begin, when I had when I used to watch my balance very frequently. I don't even watch my balance, guys. I just go in the market and I just do what I do best, That's it. You have to learn to not pay attention to the money that much, because I know a lot of person probably can trade good, but they watch their balance too much and it stopped them. What happened to my screen? And I don't know what I'm going to take. Oh, damn. What was this? Is 71%? Okay, that's okay. Guys, I know this isn't fully a part of all. Guys, this trade is very nice because I saw the rejection of this candle was naturally strong. And I am confident that the price is supposed to continue in its direction because we are in a downward movement based on market structure. I can see that the market has created a downtrend, a small downtrend, but we're in an overall uptrend. But it's okay. In binary option, we only focus on the smaller trend, but we still want to pay attention to the bigger trend though, right? But the bigger trend has become weak. I see that. So I'm confident in this trade here, and I'm waiting for it to close so that I can celebrate and, go have a nice drink and, eat something very, delicious, beautiful. Okay, I took this trade and I'm expecting to win. The reason why I took this one, guys, I said I will go to 15,000. And I didn't reach 15,000. So I'm going there to prove to you guys that starting from 10, going to 15 is possible. All you need to do is take the proper trade. It's that simple. It's that easy. The strategy is that effective. So stop complicate things. And I've noticed a lot of my subscribers and students and stuff, they are making pretty decent profits, and I'm very proud of them, and I want all of you to give them a round of applause right away, right? Okay. Yes, guys, because they are doing very well, and I'm very proud of my students. So this will be the end of my video, guys. As you can see, I reached it for 15,000. Yes, so it's possible. And another thing, if you want to have the best win rate trading binary options, you can contact me on Telegram. I have a mentorship. It's a paid mentorship. Okay, it's pre-recorded videos so that you can learn at your own pace. And I make it very simple so that even the slowest brain person in the world can learn. Okay, anyway, this will be the end of the video. I will see you guys, my subscribers. I love all of you guys. I want you to keep supporting, subscribe, share, like the video, comment. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers, guys. Let's go, let's go. We are so far away, but I believe we will get there. Okay, as I said again, this will be the end of the video. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.